So here we are, adventure time, and today's adventure is running over to Ames, Iowa. Roughly I think 7 weeks ago, I went over to Ames and dropped off my original Nodular 9-inch section for my 72 GTS or Gran Torino Sport, and the gentlemen and ladies of Quicktime have gone through the entire assembly on the carrier and rebuilt it with all their goodies from Timken, and I believe it was motive gears. I'll have to double check, I don't really remember, but like I said, just sling that shit at it. They did indeed. So anyways, just a short little video of my trip over there, pick it up, and my drive home. I hope you enjoy watching it, and as always, thanks for following along. Have a good one. On my little fun journey for today, and getting ready to head up toward Ames to Quick Performance to grab my 9-inch pumpkin chunk differential, whatever you may want to call it. Siri is going to get really pissed at me over the fact that I am going to be going through the bypass to go around Des Moines, however the hell you want to call this town in Iowa. But it'll be comical. She'll get pissed at me. But always fun. Oh, here it is. God. Iowa, please, for the love of God, shave your damn interstate.
Keep left.
Yeah, keep left. There she goes. She's going to get pissed off at me.
In 15 miles, continue onto I-35 North.
No. No, Siri, no. She's gonna be all shades of pissed. Watch.
Stay in the left 2 lanes. In 15 miles, take exit 137B on the left to merge onto I-35 north toward Minneapolis.
There you go. Yeah, helpful hint. If you're ever traveling down 80, don't go through Des Moines. They have speed cameras along 80 in town. But if you take the bypass that goes around the western side of the city up to 35, there's no cameras. So, you know, Cannonball Run. Have at it, kids. Anyways. Okay, so as I'm cruising through the lovely city of Des Moines right now, I just passed a guy with a Dodge Ram and a car trailer. This son of a bitch is rolling along with 8 semi-truck tires, brand new tires, look like wheels made of freshly powder coated black. Dude's running down the road and the motherfuckers ain't strapped to the trailer. Excuse my language there, but the blatant stupidity on somebody like that, seriously, cannot be that stupid. One hard swerve, one emergency brake maneuver, and all of those wheels, guess what? They just become artillery flying across the interstate. I could maybe see it, maybe, if they were in the back of a pickup truck stacked up, but even then you still should have the damn stuff strapped down. You can't be that stupid. Oh, wait, it's Dodge. Oh, sorry, Paul. My buddy owns a 3/4 ton Dodge, good or bad. Anyway, yeah, it's just a PSA, man. I just, 42,000+ miles in the last 18 months going cross country, and the things I have seen is anyways, carrying on back to the adventure at hand.
North toward Minneapolis. Exit left.
So, as I'm nearing Ames, I remember a song of my youth. It's called Corn, Corn, Corn. Look, there's a tree! Corn, corn, corn. Anyways, just randomness. Anyways, you're welcome. Now that you've got that stuck in your head, you can thank me later. Mailbox that I have. But I guess if you're in the business of building rear ends, you know, Well, all in all, nice smooth trip up here to lovely Ames, Iowa to Quick Performance. Had a great conversation with one of the guys about their mailbox and how a dump truck tapped it and it stopped it cold. Evidently it uses a crank from a rather large Caterpillar engine, and the ring and pinion gears are off of a mining dump truck. Pretty cool stuff. I snapped a couple pictures and I'll throw it in here in the video as well, just for laughs. But yeah, pretty cool, guys. Dropped my 9-inch nodular section off for my Torino probably 2 months ago, and finally got it done. Picked up today and very pleased, and got back a bucket of my original parts just for laughs, and saved the ring and pinion. Don't know if it's any good or not, but we'll kind of go from there. Anyways, time to head back to Omaha.